Now, speaking of Tesla, this next article, it's a video, comes from a guy that we featured here a long time ago by the name of Slav Popovsky. Do you remember him?
Yeah, he did those cool renders that are super realistic.
He does these crazy renders, Tesla-related renders, and he does real physics in there. So what he did this time around is he did an animation to showcase just how fast that new Roadster would be if it truly accelerated to 60 in 1.1 seconds with the SpaceX package. So
with the jet engine.
These things are already crazy, stupid fast. 2 seconds 0 to 60 is like, it's like,
it takes your breath away.
Man, I put my dad in the Taycan Turbo S.
Sure.
With the launch control. Oh my God, that was probably easily the best passenger so far. He was just dead.
Hard to breathe.
Oh my God, he was like, enough. And before I picked him up, my sister was like, "Hey man, don't take it easy.
Yeah.
Take it easy on that." And I was like, but that's part of the most fun of having these type of cars that accelerate like that. Is you just take out a relative or something and you hit them with the acceleration and you don't announce it.
Right.
And they get swung in the back of the seat.
Yeah, it's a funny reaction every time.
I should have filmed that, man. That was ridiculous. I should have filmed that. Anyway, this is really cool. He used real calculations and he put the standard Tesla Roadster up against the SpaceX package to show you how much faster it actually is. And it's shocking. I mean, it's almost twice as fast. And you'll see in this animation. And look how cool these animations are.
Oh, yeah.
Look at it go. Boom. See you later. I got a jet boost. What about you? You got the regular Roadster? Who's going to want the regular Roadster after that? Nobody. Slowpoke. And then this represents the quarter mile that you don't even need car wow for the drag race. This guy can do it all in physics. I think.
Yeah, they can make like a Mars background or something.
I think people want to see the real thing eventually. But this is good for now. This is great for now to be able to see this. And if the car on the left is pretty much as fast as the other, like the Plaid and everything else, then you just can't even imagine what that feeling is. There's a couple of G's in there. I'll tell you that. Shout out Slav Popovsky. Keep it up, man. These are cool. 0 to 60 in 1.1 seconds.